Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Facebook Pixel for Shopify events step by step clearly. To authorize Facebook Pixel for Shopify events, first, log into your Shopify admin account. Navigate to the online store section in the left sidebar. Click on Preferences to access the store settings. Scroll down to the Facebook Pixel section on the page. If you haven't already, create a Facebook Pixel in your Facebook Ads Manager. Copy the Pixel ID from your Facebook Ads Manager. Return to the Shopify Preferences page. Paste the Pixel ID into the designated field under the Facebook Pixel section. Click on Save to apply the changes. Next, go to your Facebook Events Manager. Select Data Sources and then click on Pixels. Here, make sure your pixel is set up correctly and is receiving events. To track specific Shopify events, go back to your Shopify admin. Click on Settings in the bottom left corner. Then select Checkout from the list of options. Scroll down to the Order Status page section. You will find a custom script area for additional tracking. Paste the specified Facebook Pixel event codes for various tracking purposes. Include codes for events like page view, add to cart, and purchase. Once you have added the necessary codes, click Save. Next, test your Pixel functionality using the Facebook Pixel Helper tool. Install the tool as a browser extension if you haven't yet. Open your Shopify store on a new tab and check for Pixel tracking notifications. Ensure that all desired events are firing correctly. Lastly, monitor your Facebook Events Manager for incoming data. This will confirm that your Facebook Pixel is now properly authorized for Shopify events. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.